Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Litecoin from Gemini to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your Litecoin for trading, staking, or just diversifying your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need accounts on both Gemini and KuCoin, and make sure you have some Litecoin in your Gemini wallet. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts or Wallet section and select Litecoin from your list of assets. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is usually found by clicking on the specific asset. Gemini might prompt you for additional security, like two-factor authentication, so have that ready to keep your funds safe. Now, you'll need to get the deposit address from KuCoin. Open a new tab, log into your KuCoin account, go to the Assets or Deposit page, and select Litecoin. Copy the wallet address provided. Double-check that it's for the Litecoin network to avoid any mix-ups. Back on Gemini, paste that KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review all the details carefully. One wrong digit in the address could mean lost funds forever. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely get a confirmation email or text. Gemini will process the withdrawal, and it might take a few minutes to an hour for the transaction to appear on the blockchain. Once it's done, check your KuCoin account to verify the deposit. A quick tip: always use the correct network. Litecoin uses its own, so don't accidentally select Bitcoin or Ethereum. Also, keep an eye on gas fees. They could be higher in 2025 with more crypto adoption. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading.